I am specifically avoiding the first part, National Day of Unity, because now the boundaries are limitless and it has got to be the Day of Unity, as your pastor just now mentioned, as of entire world brotherhood. Would everybody be worried about what Russia would do on one day or the other day?
Mandara Majaya, Babiri Babirigis, Mamugasi. So today I'm very excited and grateful.
The strength and the forces that bind us together are intrinsic and they are strong than the forces that are superimposed upon us.
Are you ready to dance?
It's Joel on Daniel Layao Cho, Bala Abdallah Mahid.
Really, it's wonderful. And somebody said in the president, he said, he is here to raise and lead. To raise yourself and to lead yourself and to lead your country. There is no doubt, and we are going to make you the leaders and the best engineers when you go back to your country. Units. Together we can. Thank you. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, together we can. Royal.